Hello friends, and welcome to a new series on the Steffi channel, Bitch is Gonna Dye, where we explore natural, sustainable options for dyeing cosplay fabrics.
So we can all feel a little less terrible about our consumerism.
On today's episode, Dragonfruit peels. These are a really pretty vivid shade of pink, so I figured they would make a good dye. Now these were sitting out for a couple days, so they might be kind of crusty, but we are going to try them and see what happens. Now let's boil them in some water. We'll let them go at least 5 minutes, maybe a little longer if we need to. And stir that shit up. I think this is about as dark as our solution's gonna get, so let's scoop them peels out. I have about a yard of white fabric here that we're going to use, and we're going to toss it in and mix it really good to make sure the color gets nice and even. Anytime you dye something, you want to mix it often to make sure the color gets distributed properly. And it's looking pink. Maybe. Oof. Okay, this might be polyester or some sort of synthetic fabric. Most dyes only stick to natural fibers, like cotton, unless you go out and buy a dye made specifically for synthetic fibers. But I'm over here using a fruit peel, so what do we really expect? Let's be honest. Let's try another thing. Let's try a white shirt, see what happens.
No, unacceptable.
Well, shit. Was it the water? Was it the fabric? Was it the peels? I'm gonna try next time with maybe a different kind of fabric. And stick around to see our results next time.